The World Health Organization has reported that an alarming 1.28 billion adults between the ages of 30 and 79 are living with hypertension, with nearly half of them unaware of their condition. While we often associate high blood pressure with poor dietary choices and an unhealthy lifestyle, there is another surprising factor at play. You guessed it, snoring may also contribute to this widespread issue. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this important topic. Snoring while sleeping is not something that can be considered normal. Not to mention, unusual or too loud snoring can lead to non-communicable disease complications such as high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke and diabetes. Worryingly, excessive snoring can be a silent killer when a person stops breathing during sleep for 10 seconds or more, a condition known as obstructive sleep apnea. According to University Malaya Rehabilitation Medicine Department, Master Medical Officer Dr. Ainul Hamiza Abdul Hamid, restriction of oxygen entering the body will cause various effects that can cause health problems.
Bila ada sekatan kemasukan oksigen dalam badan kita akan mengeluarkan banyak reaksi kimia. So macam kita panggil lah oxidative stress, inflammation, kita punya sympathetic nerve pun akan meningkat dan ini akan menyebabkan tekanan darah tinggi dan saluran darah kita menjadi lebih tebal dan juga boleh tersumbat.
She said using products bought online that can reduce snoring cannot be depended on, as those who snore need to identify the main cause of their health problem.
Kalau sekiranya masalah berdengkur tu hanya disebabkan oleh masalah hidung, so penggunaan alat yang membuka saluran tu boleh membantu. Tapi tak semua orang berdengkur disebabkan oleh masalah hidung. Ada yang sebab lain adalah obesity, penuaan, pengambilan alkohol, allergies yang menyebabkan bengkak saluran pernafasan, merokok. Selain itu, pengambilan ubat penenang juga boleh menyebabkan dengkuran.
The National Health and Morbidity Survey 2023 report indicates that the obesity issue among Malaysians is increasingly concerning, with 1 in 2 adults in the country amounting to approximately 11 million individuals classified as overweight. Therefore, those who snore are advised to undergo a health checkup to avoid the risk of NCDs in the future.